Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you building a Wix website? Don't miss these top 5 expert tips to make the process smoother and your site more effective. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your site, these strategies will help you to get the most out of Wix. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, for the tip number 1 that you should know is Wix nowadays, basically starting from 2023 I think and above, you can now use the function of AI. So, for example, let's say that you are making blogs. What can which can take a lot of time to make blogs and to improve them and to make a lot of things. Or basically you're just writing a small text for a small section. In this moment, you will need to spend time thinking, making grammar, and basically making SEO optimized text. Well, now Wix provides you an AI chat that literally allows you to write text using it. For example, I'm going to add here a paragraph. It's going to be right over here. Alright, I'm going to use the AI tools. And as you can see here, there is several tools that you can use in Wix, like generate new text, rewrite text, make shorter, change tone to enthusiastic, fix grammar, spelling, edit text with creator. Now, this AI function doesn't stop only here. You can even create images using AI, which you give them prompts. So you can go here to image, you simply have to search for gallery, or you can go for image and basically add video or music or whatever you want, and you can literally create it using AI. Same thing goes for the template or for creating the website in general. If I went back to the dashboard, let me just go to the dashboard where I can find literally everything. So here I want to go to Wix. There we go. So if you went to Wix where you can create a site, when first you try to create a site, you will be able to create a new site using AI, which gives you better starting points. So you can be ahead in the market right from the beginning. Using AI, you can make your website much smoother, much better, which gives you even like it customized everything so it can match your ideas and brand and services. So this is very important thing to note. Now for the second tip, which is guys, you have to know about the Wix marketplace. Now Wix is basically similar to WordPress, which is known for its plugins. Now WordPress itself without plugins is literally nothing. You can not get the most potential of WordPress without the plugins. The same thing goes for Wix. If you went to your dashboard of any website and you went to site mobile app, or basically you went to settings, and from settings you went to store and basically to the app marketplaces, which could be over here, or you simply have to search for them over here. So you can search for marketplace, app markets, as you can see. So there we go. You will be able to find hundreds and hundreds of tools that can help you make your website better in several ways. You can give you, for example, several tools. Let me just show you what kind of categories. So there is marketing, there is sell online, services and events, media and content, design elements, and communication. You can have tools that can help you in each category of these, which will boost your site's performance. For example, let's say that you want to make marketing and to run ads. You can click on ads directly, and here you will find all the things that might help you. For example, let's say that the main income source of your site is basically the Google ads, or basically the ads on the page. When people are using AdBlock, you are not basically making money throughout these people that are visiting your site. So you should use an ad blocker detector, which stops people from navigating on your website using an ad block. So this is one of the tools of many tools that you can use. There's of course Google Ads and Google Shopping. There is Killing, Google Listing and Ads. There is Get Google Ads. There is Wix monetized with AdSense. There is many. So you can take a look on it. And this is basically the tool number 2, which is the tip number 2 about using the marketplace. Now for the third tip, if you had enough money and you didn't want to spend time building the sites by your own and want to hire a team or a professional to make things for you, well, you can go for Fiverr or any freelance platform that can help you. Ask your friends and community for a person that can do that job for you. But Wix got you covered. Here, you can hire a professional just by going to the main menu. You will be able to hire a professional from Wix. This professional guy will do exactly the task that you will give them. So here are many tasks that you can give to this professional. It can design your websites, take care of small tasks, get an online store, customize my site with code, promote the website, or make a graphic design for you. Choose one of them and you can even give more details. And if those details are not enough, then you can leave a note as a text, which includes 1,000 characters. So you can literally write whatever you want in this area, and this professional will keep getting the job done within the period of time that you have given to them. For the tip number 4, basically Wix saves all the data or the changes that you have made in your website after you save them. So make sure that you save everything that you change in your site so you can have a backup for your future mistakes. For example, you've done an error or mistake or damaged your site. Well, as long as you have a backup which is located in the site history, so you can go here, site history. Let me just search for it. Here we go. As you can see, you will be finding here every single backup that you have created. You simply have to click right here and click on restore, and it should be restored and your backup is now recovered. And finally, now for and as I said, guys, now for the final tip. So always on Wix, there is some kind of things that you will not have the access to them. Maybe it is an error and maybe it will not tell you why. But I will tell you the reason. You simply haven't completed this setup, which is the first thing that will be shown to you. And second thing is you might need the premium version to access that function. So always make sure that you have bought the premium version for a specific reason. For example, you have limit on CMS items, you want a free domain, you want to have more storage. You will always have to upgrade your plan for these reasons and much more. And yeah, guys, those were the 5 tips that I can give you about Wix. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.